Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Another day, another vlog. And yeah, I still want to apologize for I haven't finished up the simple everyday meals. That series is pending, but sooner than later I'll finish up with it because I have really been super busy that I haven't had enough time to complete it. So yeah, I beg your pardon. So let's hop on straight to the video. Today we are doing vanilla cakes, or we call them triangle tea cakes. This is a very simple, very fast. I should actually include this in the series, but okay, I just want to have this in the breakfast because the other ones was dinner. Yeah, so with this one it is very easy because one, we're not using an oven. Two, it's more like a cake recipe. You just do your cake paste the way you normally do it for vanilla cakes by using a blender instead of a hand mixer or an electric mixer. You blend all the wet ingredients first except for milk, but you're going to throw in your sugar just like you do with normal cakes, and then you blend now your dry ingredients as you top up the milk in your dry ingredients. Yeah, and that's it. You form a paste. Then this paste you're now going to pour into the sandwich maker when it's hot, and then you cover it, wait for around 6 to 9-10 minutes, and you have your soft spongy cakes. This is so easy, guys. I wish you just know how quick this can be. I really wish you try this one and make me in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, comment. I want to know how this one will be because I really love this recipe. So I hope you enjoy the video. Let's hop on to it. At this point I had to help my blender a little bit since the consistency was a little bit thick, and you really cannot add any more milk because this is baking. It's a science. So you're not going to spoil the mixture by topping up extra milk. So you're going to stick to the portions that you have in the ingredient list. At this point our mixture is ready. You need it as thick as this since we're using a toaster or rather a sandwich maker. You can't have it any lighter than this if you don't want it to pour out. So this is the perfect consistency. Now our mixture is ready for use, and if you use your toaster or a sandwich maker like I do, you might want to turn it on and give it time to heat up so that it can melt down all the greasy, all the oil, all the butter that you've been accumulating from the previous use, because I use butter to prevent my pastries from burning, because butter has that effect on your pastries. So yeah, we are also going to use butter on this one, or rather margarine if you don't have butter. I actually used margarine, but sometimes I do use butter because it helps prevent your pastries from burning and brings a very delicious looking brownish color on your pastries, like you're going to see. You grease your toaster, you fill in the posts of the toaster with your paste, bake for 9 to 10 minutes, remove them, repeat the cycle until your paste is done. That's it.